Which innovation today will redefine our world in 5 years and 10 years' time? Imagine a future where AI agents handles your daily tasks, autonomous vehicles chauffeur you around, and Bitcoin becomes a staple in financial reserves. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Welcome back to ARK. Tony here. Today's 20th of February 2025. Let's take a quick look at today's market update. Bitcoin is trading at $97,000, continue its consolidation. Ethereum stands at 2,740. Tesla is at 360, and MicroStrategy is at 318. Some are beginning to question, is this the peak for Bitcoin in this cycle? However, I still strongly believe that later this year, we could witness a significant surge, propelling Bitcoin to the 120,000 to 150,000 range. In today's morning deep dive, we're diving deep into ARK Invest Big Idea 2025 report. A massive 150 slides deep dive into the most transformative innovations shaping our future. After studying the entire report, I've picked out what I believe are the 3 most important breakthroughs. These aren't just technological advancements, they're poised to revolutionize our daily lives and the global economy. The first area being AI agents, your personal digital assistants. Imagine a world where AI agents anticipate your needs, from scheduling appointments to managing investments. These intelligence assistants are evolving rapidly, integrating seamlessly into our routine. Starting this year, AI agents are expected to start handling complex tasks, freeing up time and enhancing productivity. This shift isn't just about convenience, it's about redefining human-computer interaction, making technology more intuitive and responsive. The second area being robotaxi, the future of transportation. The concept of robotaxis, self-driving vehicle offering ride services, is no longer science fiction. Companies like Tesla are pioneering this movement. Recently, Elon Musk gave us a clear timeline and announced the launch of its true self-driving robotaxi by June 2025. With a significant growth projected for 2026, this innovation promises not only to reduce transportation costs, but also to enhance safety and efficiency on our road. Imagine summoning a vehicle that drives you to your destination while you relax or work, all without a human driver. And the last area we're going to touch on today is going to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin's journey from a niche digital currency to a mainstream financial asset has been remarkable. Its decentralized nature offers an alternative to traditional banking system. Recently, Montana's House Business and Labor Committee passed a bill that could allow Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency to become reserve asset. We'll talk about this more later in today's news, but this move signifies a growing acceptance of Bitcoin in traditional finance. As more states and countries explore similar legislations, Bitcoin's role in global economy could become more prominent, potentially influencing monetary policies and financial stability. These innovations aren't just coming, they are already unfolding. The question is, are you positioned to benefit from them? The best opportunity often comes before mass adoptions, so everything we mentioned today, AI agents, robotaxis, and Bitcoin, are all on the cusp of explosive growth, and once they fully take off, the window for early investment will close. Just like those who spotted the potential of Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon early on. The true winners will be those who take action now, before the rest of the world catches on. Now let's take a look at today's top news. The first news, Elon Musk, yes, our boy Elon again, the world's richest man and head of D.O.G.E, shared memes elevating decades-old conspiracy about the state of the US government gold reserve at Fort Knox. In Polymarket, a popular prediction/betting platform, has launched a controversial betting market on whether the US government will allow independent audit of the gold reserve at Fort Knox. This has resonated debate over the true extent of American gold holding. The last official audit happened in 1953. Leaving decades of speculation about whether all reported gold still exists. The US Treasury claimed Fort Knox holds over 147 billion ounces of gold, worth nearly $300 billion. But without independent verification, conspiracy theory has thrived. Some argue that gold might have been secretly sold or leased, while others believe that the government has understated its holding. If an audit is ever conducted, the result could shake investor confidence in gold market. Whether the US government caves to pressure remains to be seen, but a growing interest in transparency shows how much distrust exists around financial institutions. Musk's involvement could put real pressure on the governments to open up its book, whether it's a serious push for transparency or just another Musk stunt. D.O.G.E leading the charge for Fort Knox audit is exactly the kind of 2025 news that makes you and me question if we're living in a simulation. The second news, Crypto quote-unquote expert Samson Mao suggests that Bitcoin's recent price stability appears very manufactured. Despite its significant institutional inflow, Bitcoin has been trading in a tight range between 92,000 to 106K since December 18th. This unusual stability raised questions about potential market manipulations or suppressions. In the third news, Montana has taken a significant step toward recognizing Bitcoin as a reserve asset. The state's House Business and Labor Committee passed a bill that, if enacted, would make Montana the fourth U.S. state to allow Bitcoin to be included in government reserves. This is a bold move that could encourage other states to follow suit, legitimizing Bitcoin's role in mainstream finance. Supporters argue that adding Bitcoin to state reserve could help hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. However, critics warn that of its volatility, citing the risk of holding an asset that could swing 10% or more in a single day. If the bills pass the full House and Senate, Montana would join Texas, Wyoming, Florida in integrating Bitcoin into its state's financial planning. This growing trend of state embracing Bitcoin could have profound implications. If multiple states start accumulating Bitcoin, it could increase the institutional trust in the asset and eventually influence national policy on cryptocurrency adoptions. Could we eventually see Bitcoin held at a federal level? This remains a distant but possible future. That's a wrap for today's episode. Please subscribe for daily updates in weekdays. Stay invested and I'll see you tomorrow.